How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands naturally at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. First exercise we are going to do is curls. It's 10, keep going. It's 20, keep going. It's 30, perfect, quick little break. Okay, we are going to do extensions. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're now going to do the claw stretch. So we're going to get your hands like this. We're going to squeeze. We're going to hold for 20 seconds. Again, make sure you're squeezing the whole entire time. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. We're then going to go back to curls. Perfect, quick little break. We're then going to move our fingers back and forth, just like this, for 20 seconds. Perfect, keep going. Quick little break. We're then going to do squeezes. So get your hands, make a fist, squeeze really, really tight. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.